What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another Tile Tool Tuesday. I'm excited for this one. Milwaukee, finally, after all these years, jumping into the tile business, launching tile saw blades. 10-inch right here. We also have a 4.5-inch blade for your grinder. I'm excited. I'm not quite sure if, hopefully, Milwaukee launches a line of tile saws or even comes out with the basic 7-inch, 8-inch, or 10-inch tile saw. It would be good for the company. Milwaukee's a great tool company. I would be excited to review their first tile saw, but baby steps. Coming out with diamond blades. The weight feels real good on these. So what we're gonna do, as per usual, super simple. We'll keep this video quick, bring the camera up close, open these up, go over the basic specs of the blades, go outside, install them on the D36000 DeWalt, as well as the DeWalt grinder, and we will cut an array of material. Quartz, stone, porcelain, ceramic, you name it, we'll see how well they perform. So without further ado, let's go. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Milwaukee's 10-inch tile saw blade cuts porcelain, ceramic, marble, granite. Again, it has a lot of good weight to it. So let's open it up, but quickly go over the specs on the back. Unique diamond formula. Up to 5 times longer. Life in porcelain. Vented steel core and laser slots. Continuous rim, minimizing chipping. And you have your reinforced hub here for increased stability. Let's open it up. Well, there you have it. It feels like a good quality blade. It reminds me of the Beast tile saw blades from back in the day. They do not carry those anymore. Nice arbor here, I'm sure, which will help with noise and vibration. And here is the 4.5-inch blade for your grinder. We will attach this as well, see how well it cuts. We'll cut some holes in hard porcelain. Your standard diamond blade for grinder. So here they are. Feel like good quality, not a whole lot to talk about. So let's head on out, attach them to the grinder and the tile saw, see how well they cut, how clean they cut, how well they perform. Here we go. High gloss porcelain. Very clean cut. It went through this like butter in a hot knife. No chipping. And it's a very quiet blade as well, compared to most of them. So far, so good. Quartz. Glass. Very thick, hard 1/2 inch through body porcelain. Stacked stone. Ceramic. Well, there you go. Fantastic quality diamond blades by Milwaukee. Good job, Milwaukee. Everything cut nice and clean. Low vibration, low noise with this 10-inch tile saw blade. Not much chipping at all. This diamond blade for the grinder did great as well. Yeah, I like them. Highly recommended. Good job, Milwaukee. Let's see a tile saw coming out from you guys soon. 7-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch. A lot of tile professionals, contractors, and builders would be very interested in a Milwaukee tile saw. So, thanks for watching, guys. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon for future tile tool videos, smash that like button, it really does help, and I'll see you guys on the next one.